My name is Brian Morrison and I'm the on-site manager here at Paradise Tiny Home Community. I'd love to show you around. Paradise Tiny Home Community is a sustainable, affordable housing community. This place is a vision child of T.J. Modi, who saw the need for affordable homes in this area as the prices have skyrocketed, and a lot of families and young professionals and seniors alike just haven't had a place to go. The vision started about 5 years ago for this project, where we're sitting right now was pretty much desert. It has been built from the ground up from a proprietary RV park. With that in mind, the end goal for this project would be a full community to grow from what we started with 5 acres of land and 90 lots for homes into 20 plus acres and just continuing. It is something we see a need for. So the people that live here in the community currently come from all aspects of life. We've got people who are nature lovers. We have students and seniors to the young professional that just needs a place to be able to work remotely. Tiny homes that do come in, we have specifics that they have to follow in order to be in the park. They are all built on chassis. They are ANSI coded, as well as most RV specifications. The base size for the tiny homes is 400 square feet or less, which only accounts for the ground floor. You can have lofts, you can have a porch that doesn't count into this. So the monthly cost of living in the tiny home community here does include all of the amenities, which is our clubhouse, our pools, our fitness center, our yoga studio, as well as pickleball, bocce ball, and the views come free. The lots themselves are starting at $695 a month. Our utilities are a monthly package, all inclusive for electric, water, and waste, which comes out to $300 a month. We have our own solar farm here to offset the price of electricity, which in the desert is an incredible expense. So this is our Boxable. The Boxable is actually on a chassis. As you can see, it is completely square. It's 9 foot by 9 foot with 9 foot ceilings. And this one you can actually rent and stay a weekend with us and see how the tiny home community would work for you. So here we have our full-size kitchen, breakfast nook. And of course, for as small as it is, it's a fully functional kitchen. And over to our right, we have our full bath, walk-in shower, and enough room to spread your wings. To our right here, we have our full bedroom, queen size bed, and enough room for storage. So for the amenities on these, they are completely connected, just as any house would. Full electric, water, mini splits for AC and heating, and the insulation is excellent in these for these climates. And lastly, you have your sitting room up in the front, perfect for watching a movie and relaxing with whoever you want to relax with. And now that we're done with the Boxable, let's go check out some of the other homes. This is our second stop on our tour. The Tiny Western is a 1-bedroom, 1 bath, and 2 loft home. It is approximately 34 foot by 10 foot. It's 380 square feet in total. Welcome inside our Western Tiny. As you can see by this massive kitchen, this is one of our luxury models here. They've made 3/4 size appliances, but it looks like a full kitchen. As you can see, this built-in island could be very useful, whether you're prepping a meal, sitting with your loved ones. Plenty of counter and cabinet space and storage up above. This area is kind of a clean slate where you can put a love seat, a couple of recliners, sit back by the fire and watch a movie. We've got a single bedroom here with a full-size bed and mini split inside, next to our staircase to our first loft. And coming to the other side of the home, we've got our full bath, full-size washer and dryer, glass shower, and as a perk, You've also got the other loft, which can make a great reading room or storage. So all of our lots vary a little bit in size, but for the most part, they're all 53 foot long and about 25 feet wide. So we're here at one of our open lots. This is a regular electric box that we have at each spot, which contains our 30 amp, our 50 amp, 110, as well as our water and sewer connections for each area.
Hi, I'm Dana, and this is my destination trailer here at the Paradise Tiny Home Community. The thing that really sold me on this community are all the cool people that I met. I've met several people in the community who are really fun and nice, and we have everything that you'd want, and Palm Springs is about 25 minutes away. Otherwise, you can kick it in the desert. They've got grills here, hangouts. But the best thing, everything is included. Unlimited electricity, unlimited water. You've got the sewer paid for, gas, everything included in $300.
So this home is the Casita creation. It's 26 feet long and the smallest on our lot. 284 square feet. It is the most affordable that we do have on the park. So this is our seating room where you can sit down and watch a movie. Bedroom with barn door, where you can wake up to the view every single day over the mountains. And as we step the other way, we have our full kitchen. Also have designed to save space our washer and dryer in place here. Lots of cabinetry room and storage up above. The mini split is the perfect addition to these homes for heating and cooling any time of the year. We have our full bath with glass shower doors, plenty of room to stand up straight. I'm a tall guy, and it feels like you have plenty of room to move around. Last on their stop is the Silver Crest. It is 400 square feet with 9.5 foot ceilings. So as you can see, this has a very big living space in it. This feels actually like a home. You've got the high ceilings, a ceiling fan, room to sit down, watch a movie and relax. Complete kitchen with 3/4 size appliances from your dishwasher, stove and refrigerator. Perfect for cooking any creation. Moving down the hall here, we do have our full bath. As you can see, the high ceilings in here and the amount of space does not feel like a tiny home. We have a spot for a washer and dryer hookup, and then our single bedroom. Welcome to our community clubhouse. Let's take a look around. Inside, you'll see we have plenty of seating for all of our guests to commune. Here we have our resort-sized pool and hot tub. Lots of seating, bring the family out under our ceiling fans and cooling area. And just through the doors over here, a few steps away, we have our full clubhouse. This area is super important for us because, as you may know, the summers get a little warm in the desert here, and being in a tiny home, you do need to get out once in a while. So it's a great idea to come out, meet with people, socialize, and be able to stay in the AC. We have something for everyone, from ping pong and pool to hanging out with the family in front of the fire. A reading area, some games, and of course our 100-inch TV for watching movies on those warm nights. So also through these doors, we have our full fitness room and yoga studio.
Hey, my name is Brad. I'm here in Desert Hot Springs. This is my tiny home. So I bought this tiny home in January or February of 2025. To me, $70,000 to buy a house felt great. I've been living here since April. That's when Santosha was delivered on the backside of of a pickup truck, and I was elated when I saw her going down that runway, like, woohoo! She has arrived. I have joy when I look at my plants. I have joy when I look at my sacred objects. I feel joy, I would say joy, a combination of joy, peace, and love.
If you like this week's episode, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check back soon because we have new unique home tours publishing all the time. And if you'd like to join our team and get access to members-only content and unique perks, make sure you click on the join button below.